Format Painter. Often I will get spreadsheets with formatting that I either really like or that I do not like. In this example, let's say I really like the formatting in column A, the way the product 1, 2, 3, etc. I like the way it looks. And I would like to apply that formatting to the states, i.e. Massachusetts down to as far as Washington. What I could do is select the states and then kind of guess the colors and say, well, I think the background shading is this kind of taupey color, and then it's bold, and the font might be different, and maybe the size might be different. But rather than me trying to guess what's done, I can essentially copy formatting. Click on a cell that has the formatting I like. So I've just picked one of the cells in column A. I then navigate to the Home tab and choose Format Painter. And you'll notice that now your cursor has a paintbrush icon to the right of it. This allows me to paint that formatting onto an area where I'm now going to select. So I'm going to select the states, starting in cell E2 and dragging down. And as I drag down and release my mouse button, that formatting has now been applied. I'm going to undo that and do Control Z. When you use the Format Painter, you've only got one option. In other words, if I select one of the values, click on the Format Painter, and let's say I make a mistake and I forget to do it all, I no longer have the paintbrush icon to the right of my cursor. So what I want to do is apply Format Painter, but so that I can use it applied to multiple selections. Select again the cell or a cell that has the formatting you require. And this time, instead of single clicking Format Painter, double click. And actually, if you hover over it, it will tell you that. There's a little icon there, a little note there that tells you that. I'm double clicking on the Format Painter, and I'm going to do one here, a bit here, maybe over here, yes, and a few to the names. And when I'm finished, I must remember to disable that option, either by pressing the Escape key on your keyboard or by clicking once again on Format Painter. I'm going to press Undo a few times to have it back the way it was, and I'm going to apply just to the states. Click on the cell, Format Painter, and drag it through the cells that are required. I'd like you to notice in the Bought column, the Bought column has a series of dates, and they're correctly applied with the data type date, as you can see up here. However, these dates look different. There are some long Monday, the 8th of February, for example, but if I click on them, they're also automatically assigned with the correct data type of date. What I would like to do is I would prefer to have this formatting, i.e. the formatting of the dates in column B, and apply it to the format of the dates in column G. So again, using the Format Painter, select one of the cells that has the formatting I require, click on the Format Painter, and then drag my mouse through all of them. And that looks great.